When you search for the best lawn sweeper, everything looks the exact same. Same spinning brushes, same hopper bags, same claims about effortless cleanup. But to figure out which one actually gets the job done without breaking or wasting your time, you have to look past the marketing and into the real details.
Product number 1. Vevor 21-inch Heavy-Duty Push Sweeper. The Vevor 21-inch Push Lawn Sweeper, a solid mid-range option that caught my eye with its thickened steel frame and 3.5 cubic foot mesh bag. At just under $92, it's priced right for casual homeowners who want something sturdier than flimsy plastic models. If you want reliable leaf pickup without spending over $100, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 21-inch sweeping width covers a decent area per pass, and those 2 spinning brushes are built to last. Vevor says they're densified to prevent bending, which means better debris pickup on lawns, driveways, or sidewalks. The adjustable brush height lets you tweak it for tall grass or flat concrete, and the large hopper means fewer trips to dump. Plus, with over 5,000 sold last month, it's clearly resonating with buyers who want durability without complexity. Now, some people complained about the mesh bag tearing after heavy use, especially with sharp twigs or wet leaves. Here's the thing though, the bag is removable and replaceable, and for dry debris like grass clippings or light leaves, it holds up fine. Just don't expect it to survive a full season of pine cones and storm debris. This is perfect for you if you've got a medium-sized yard and want a no-frills manual sweeper that won't quit. Skip this one if you're dealing with soggy fall leaves regularly. For under $95, it's a great value for light to moderate use. Product number 2. Vevor 25.6-inch Walk-Behind Floor Sweeper. That was a solid lawn-focused option. But the next one on my list might actually be better if you're cleaning more than just grass, say patios, garages, or sidewalks. Meet the Vevor 25.6-inch Walk-Behind Floor Sweeper. At $87, it's not technically a lawn sweeper, but hear me out. It handles dry yard debris just as well, if not better, on hard surfaces. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It sweeps a massive 25.6-inch path in one go, 5 times faster than a broom, according to Vevor. And the 5-gallon container means you're not stopping every 5 minutes. The side brushes pull debris from edges straight into the center, and the folding handle makes storage a breeze. With 4,000 plus sold last month, it's popular with folks who want one tool for multiple surfaces. Now, some people complained it struggles on thick grass or uneven terrain because it's really designed for flat surfaces like concrete or tile. Here's the thing though, if your lawn cleanup includes driveways, patios, or walkways, which most do, this thing shines where traditional sweepers can't go. This is perfect for you if you've got a mix of grass and hard surfaces to clean. Skip this one if your yard is mostly tall or uneven grass. For under $90, it's a smart multitasker.
Product number 3. Vevor 30-inch Upgraded Large Capacity Sweeper. If the previous model's smaller bag bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Bigger, wider, and built for serious yard work. The Vevor 30-inch lawn sweeper costs $140, but you're getting a 30-inch sweep path and a massive 12 cubic foot hopper. That's over triple the capacity of the first model. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 3 V-shaped rotating brushes dig deeper into grass and resist tangling from pine needles or weeds. The 10-level height adjustment gives you precision control whether you're on short turf or bumpy ground. And those rubber wheels, they grip damp soil without slipping. With only 500 sold last month, it's less popular, but that's likely because it's pricier and heavier at 31 pounds. Now, some people complained about the weight and bulk making it hard to maneuver in tight spaces. Here's the thing though, if you've got a large yard, half an acre or more, this extra size and power save you hours of back and forth pushing. This is perfect for you if you've got a big property and want to minimize passes and dumping. Skip this one if you've got a small yard or limited storage. At $140, it's a premium option, but for heavy-duty users, it's worth every penny.
Product number 4. Pequin's 5-inch Dual Solar Fan Kit. That was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for small space growers. The Pequin's 5-inch solar-powered fan kit is only $36.99, the cheapest on this list, but don't let the price fool you, it's packed with smart features. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It uses high-efficiency monocrystalline panels to hit 3,200 RPM, and the dual fans can be used together or separately, one pushing air in, one pulling it out. That creates a cross-breeze effect, which is ideal for preventing hot spots in your greenhouse. The IP67 rating means it's fully protected against dust and water, and the included mounting hardware makes setup a breeze. Over 300 people bought this in the past month, and the 2-year warranty shows the brand stands behind it. Now, some people noted that the airflow drops noticeably on cloudy days, which is expected with any solar-only fan. But here's the thing. For under $40, you're getting dual fan flexibility and solid build quality. It's not perfect, but it's impressively capable. This is perfect for you if you're on a budget but still want effective ventilation in a small greenhouse or shed. Skip this one if you need nighttime operation or have a space larger than 36 square feet. For the price, it's a steal.
Product number 5, Iguan 26-inch steel frame sweeper. If you want something in between lightweight and industrial grade, the Iguan 26-inch lawn sweeper at $150 might be your sweet spot. It's got a durable steel frame, 4 spinning brushes, and a 7 cubic foot hopper, offering a balance of power and capacity. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 26-inch width covers more ground than 21-inch models, and the 4 brushes, instead of 2 or 3, give better edge-to-edge pickup. The rubber wheels roll smoothly, and the adjustable height works on lawns, driveways, or patios. It's manual, so no cords or fuel, just pure, quiet cleaning. With only 100 plus sold, it's the underdog, but the build quality stands out. Now, some people complained about the higher price and slightly complex assembly. Here's the thing though, if you're doing weekly cleanups and want something that lasts years, the steel construction and extra brushes justify the cost. This is perfect for you if you want a durable, mid-size sweeper that won't wear out fast. Skip this one if you only clean once a season. At $150, it's a long-term investment, not a disposable tool.
So which one should you pick? If you've got a small yard and tight budget, go with the Boldworks. Need something for patios and driveways too? The Vevor floor sweepers remove. Big yard? Grab the 30-inch Vevor. Want balance? Iguan's 26-inch model delivers. And for solid all-around performance under $95, that first Vevor 21-inch is still a winner. Pick the one that fits your space and stop raking.